Hello, my name is Clayton Roberts. I'm going to do a demonstration of retrieving fault codes off of this International. It's a 9-pin. What we have to do right now is we get ourselves set up. We have our Genesis code reader, and we have our multimeter. Our multimeter here is just to see if we have the right resistance that comes from our plug, our 9-pin plug. And in order for us to check our 9-pin plug, we put our multimeter on resistance. Now, on resistance, you go to the manual. The manual tells you to go between the C and the D port. That's inside the plug. C and D. When you find C and D, you go across C and D, and you should get a resistance of 60 ohms. When you get a resistance of 60 ohms, it's letting you know that your plug, your 9-pin plug, is active and that you can read off of it. Now we're going to move our multimeter out of the way. We'll get our little check, and we're going to plug in our Genesis. Got our Genesis right here. Make sure that we have the right plug. Check our plug out. That's a 9-pin plug. These plugs go in. This plug goes in. Once your plug's in and it locks in, then you turn your truck on. Turn my truck on. All my panel lights up. Make sure it's good. That lets me know that my truck's on. Then I'm going to come over here to my Genesis machine. I'll turn my Genesis machine on. It's going to take a few seconds to power up. Once it powers up, I'm going to give it the instructions to read the code. So as it's going to power up, it says, if I want to scan diagnostics, yes. That's what I'm looking here for. And I'm going on a heavy duty vehicle. This is a multi-purpose scan tool, so I can scan multiple different vehicles and everything. Right now I'm going to heavy duty. For the heavy duty standard, enter. They ask me the different plugs I have, whether it's a 6-pin SAE, or a 9-pin deuce. I got the 9-pin deuce. The system's reading right now. It's running checks through the system to see if it's coming back. It's going to tell you to wait. Once I wait, 9-pin, and I go to enter again. SAE J1587/1708. That's what this truck would require. I hit enter again. Now I was searching through the ECM and the different ECMs that's in here, the computers that's in here, to see if there's any faults. It's checking, it's reading, it's communicating with the truck at this time. As you see, it tells you which one it's going to. Searching for cab climate control, particulate control. It says I have one code so far. Enter. Yes, I'm on the right cable. And then I go right here and I read the diagnostic trouble codes. I enter again. Read codes. And it's going to tell me all these codes. And with all these codes, I will write all these codes down, these different codes and these different parts of these codes. As I write different parts of these codes down, I will go into my computer system, look up these codes, and figure out how I can fix these codes. Thank you, guys.